Hey folks, it's March 13th, 2018, and we're having another nor'easter here in the Northeast. That's right. This one's called Skylar. Yeah, Skylar, I believe. The last one was Quinn, and that was just about a week ago. And we really didn't get much snow this past January and February. It's just, so, hell, here it's almost spring. I figure I'm going to take advantage of this. So this is kind of off the cuff, impromptu, and let's do it. This. I can't talk, folks. It's alright. I'm so excited. Let's play some of this. Here we go. I don't know if you can hear this, folks, but anyways, again, it's the guy there. I think the Chinaman. They're playing the miniature guitar, ukulele. That's right. He's playing. Well, you'll guess the song. I think it's a Fierce theme song, so you should know it by now. Malt Liquor. King Cobra. Yeah. Again. Colt 45 times soon. Look at that. Huh? It's about 20-something degrees out here, folks. The snow, it's a little fluffier. It's not that heavy, wet snow we had last time. A little fluffier, folks. A little fluffier. Folks, there's nothing like making a malt liquor video in nature, folks. Best backdrop. Huh? No blue screen here. Malt liquor. I'm going to stop at the swill and shout out Sir Walty79, our Lord and Mentor. These swills are for you and everybody out there that drinks malt liquor and uploads it to YouTube. Malt liquor. Swill. 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 None of your foam, dwarf. What the hell? Let's do a malt liquor chaser. Look, these gloves. Gloves are for wimps. 8.1% hurricane high gravity, folks. Malt liquor of champions. Malt liquor chaser. Hang on. I think the Chinaman ran out of gas. He plays pretty good though, doesn't he? surprised he can you see what he's doing with those eyes. Hang on, here we go. Shout out to shit in my pants, malt liquor. $52 ounces of delicious malt liquor. Now, folks, the great outdoors. And lunch I had earlier, just about right there, folks. Just about right there. And that last swill, just about right there. Malt liquor! Label the fuck out. Hey. Kinda look like my ex-girlfriend after I got done with her. Malt liquor, label out. By the way, folks, I haven't forgotten about you guys on my main channel. I got some good shit coming real soon. If I survive this blizzard, Skylar, folks. So, if you're watching this on my backup channel, don't worry. Mr. Rena's main channel video coming soon. Oh yeah. Malt liquor. Look at that shit. Huh? Label out. Fuck you, Dolph. See you guys. Malt liquor.